I'm bored. There's nothing to do around here. Yeah, Jaden. There's nothing to do around here. And I think Luigi, you're just busy playing Super Mario Maker 2 game or something. I think you do have a point, Video Active Foxy. Huh? Who's knocking on my door? Let me go answer it. Okay, let me just open it. Who is knocking on my door? Huh? Hey, Jaden. Is it gonna get us into your house? Okay. Sure, you can come in. Jaden, who's at the door? Oh, it's just Mighty and Icebird. They want me to let them inside my house. Is that Icebird? Huh? What? Is that you? Icebird! Icebird, it's been so long! Yep, I know. Where have you been? I've been protecting the ones with golden egg out of space. But sometimes I'm bored, I have to take it with me anyways. And I hear with Mighty, he was my friend. Hey, Mighty! Oh, hey, Sonic. It's been a while! Yep, I know. Whoa, 2 new friends inside the house? You bet, Oswald. Hey, the Jaden, have an idea. How about you let those two to join our Plush show? Hey, those two are gonna stay with all of us. Yeah, Mario does have a point. Maybe you should let them join our Plush show. That's a good idea, guys. Iceberg, Mighty, welcome to my Plush show. Let's go! Oh yeah! And let me turn the intro you guys to join the Plush show. Start now.